And Victoria Pratt is no ordinary judge.
Good morning, please be seated.
Judge Victoria Pratt, Chief Judge of the Municipal Court in Newark, New Jersey, treats defendants quite differently than most judges do.
We have to be focused on outcomes. And the outcomes should be, we should be returning people back to their communities and their families, healthy, sober, and as productive, contributing members to society. For me, assigning essays to defendants has been a tremendous way of giving them voice.
Typically, maybe in a traditional court, you're just looking to get a disposition, and you're saying, why did you commit this offense? In these courts, we're looking at why is this person offending? We need to address the underlying issue. The ultimate goal is to actually not have them on this conveyor belt of justice. It's really to get them to have their lives together and to really support their families and support their communities.
That lesson taught me how to see people. And not like, you know, in the Sixth Sense movie, but how to see them as they ought to be, their humanity, and not through the broken lens and brokenness that they saw themselves.
The idea that the defendant or the court participant should have the opportunity to be heard. And even if you're not letting them speak, explain why. I don't want you to make an admission. You're not represented by counsel. Also, that the proceedings appear to be neutral, so that they walk into court and the judge isn't just joking around with the prosecutor or the public defender. Those kinds of things are really important to the process.
It's a post-adjudication court, so even though they may plead guilty, they immediately begin to receive services. They go upstairs to the clinic, which is staffed with these incredible social workers, case managers, and individuals, professionals who are used to dealing with these issues. They immediately do intake, so we begin to get information about them and their past, and begin to sentence them to social service mandates and community service mandates that will help address those issues.
The essays are awesome because the essays are about answering the question, and the answers are always inside. They are cathartic. They also require people to think. Some of my young guys or young women who come to court, no one has ever asked them, what are you going to do in the next 5 years?
How many days you got? Any clean days? No. So what we got to do to get you clean, Miss Karen? And I'm saying we, but I mean you. $500 from 2012. You got another, don't speak when I speak. That's why you don't know what's going on. See, you're in the program because you have a drug problem and you haven't been dealing with it. Let's just get this. You don't get to waive detox. You don't get to waive getting into a treatment program. You do not get to, because it's a part of your sentence. You don't get to waive it.
So one of the things that, there were so many things that were interesting. One of them was that we saw the young man who, when I asked him what was different about you, he said, she's like my mother.
Well, if that means that a person in authority cares about whether you succeed or fail, creates boundaries for you, and then raises the bar of expectation, then I guess I'm in good company with his mother.
Where we want to be is a place that people enter our halls of justice and believe they will be treated with dignity and respect, and know that justice will be served there. Imagine that, a simple idea. Thank you.